Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your James over there. So you are welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how you can achieve or you can design this amazing flyer design on Pixellab or Pixellab Pro. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to consider hit the subscribe button, like this video, share and comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified exactly when I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thanks for coming back, guys. I really appreciate it. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this tutorial. So the first thing, let's open a new layer, and I'm going to drop all the resources used in this tutorial in the description. So let's upload it one by one, and I've uploaded a video recently on my channel how to upload more than one picture together from your gallery. So we are going to use the tips now. So we are going to click on this import 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So let's wait. So the first picture will be this, and the second will be this, while the third will be this, the fourth, the fifth. So you see we have uploaded 5 pictures together at the same time. So let's first resize everything. To give this resize to 100. You see, so let's change the background size first before we continue. So you see, so the second image, let's go for the second image, the keyboard, but let's lock the first one and resize it to 100. You see, you get the accurate size, and this I've made it comfortable for us. You are not going to be placing anything, just resize everything to 100 like this. And the third one. So let's continue to input text. The first text we are going to input here, let's use delicious in capital letter, all in capital letter, and change the font. So after we change the font, come to this style and bold it. Then let's resize it, and we give it space like this. So you can place the space at 22 and make this at the center. So let's try to resize this. Let's increase it to 5 once. So copy this text and edit it as slice of heaven like this, all in capital letter also, and you bring it down here. So place it at the center, and let's go for the resize also. So increase it to 5, bring it down once. You see, so we are done with this, but this slice in heaven, let's increase the spacing. Yes, and position it at the middle also. So after this, we are going to import a text from our image from our gallery. This. So let's resize this also to 100 and send it back. Yeah. So before this, the first text we are going to input again rather. I'm sorry. Order now. And let's change the color to white. So you see this is coming already. So the next text we are going to add is like the discount. They are on discount, so let's add 24%. So let's change the color, something like red. Yes, the size and bold this font, bold, bold. So let's do this. Yeah, so after this you see this is making sense already. Let's add another image from our gallery. All these resources I'm using will be dropped in the description, so do so to check it and download it for your own use. So let's resize this to 100, and you see, so we are bringing this pizza under the green leaf to make it look like this. You see how amazing and how simple this is. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to consider hit the subscribe button, like this video on your way out, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified exactly when I post any amazing videos like this. And if you are returning viewers, thanks for coming back guys, I really appreciate. So see you guys in my next tutorial. Peace out.